everyone! Ang tatalakayin natin ngayon ay about sa photosynthesis. So, ano nga ba ito? But before we start, reminder lang, focus and listen para may maintindihan kayo at matutunan. So, ano nga ba ang photosynthesis? This is a process by which plants use energy from the sunlight to produce sugar. So, ito daw yung process ng plant na makaproduce ng sugar. During the photosynthesis in green plants, light energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide, and minerals into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. The conversion of unusable sunlight energy into usable chemical energy is associated with the action of the green pigment known as chlorophyll. Most of the time, the photosynthetic process uses water and releases the oxygen that we absolutely must have to stay alive. And we have two stages involved in the process of photosynthesis. First of all, di kainuna. Joke. Ito na talaga. So first is light-dependent reaction which thylakoid membrane take place and it use light energy to make ATP and NADPH. These molecules plays a crucial role in the next chemical reaction that will take place. And second stage is walang forever. Di joke. Anong connect nun? Napaka-corny ko talaga. Ito na talaga. The second stage is light-independent reaction. Use the ATP and NADPH from the light-dependent reaction to reduce carbon dioxide and convert the energy in carbohydrate such as glucose. It takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. In this step, no light is needed. So ayun, alam niyo na ang dalawang stages. Punta naman tayo sa chloroplast.
The chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are organelles that conduct photosynthesis, where the photosynthetic green-colored pigment, known as chlorophyll, captures the energy from the sunlight, converts it, and store it in the energy molecule storage. Molecules ATP and NADPH while freeing the oxygen from water in the plants. Chloroplasts absorb sunlight and use it in conjunction with water and carbon dioxide gas to produce food for the plant.
Meron tayong mga parts ng chloroplast. So first is the outer membrane. A semi-porous membrane and is permeable to small molecules and ions which diffuses easily. The outer membrane is not permeable to larger proteins. This is inner membrane. Forms a border to the stroma. It regulates passage of materials in and out of the chloroplast. In addition of regulation activity, the fatty acids, lipids, and carotenoids are synthesized in the inner chloroplast membrane. This one is stroma, an alkaline aqueous fluid which is protein-rich and present within the inner membrane of the chloroplast. The space outside the thylakoid space is called the stroma. The chloroplast DNA, chloroplast ribosomes, and the thylakoid system, starch granules, and many proteins are found floating around the stroma. Thylakoid system, a collection of membranous cells called thylakoids. The chlorophyll is found in the thylakoids and is the site for the process of light reaction of photosynthesis to happen. The thylakoids are arranged in stacks known as grana. Each granum contains around 10 to 20 thylakoids. Next is granum, a cone-shaped stack of thylakoid, which are the membrane-like structure found inside the chloroplast of plant cells. Last is lamella, connects and separate the thylakoid stacks or grana. So, dito na nagtatapos ang topic natin for today. Remember, plants makes their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll in the plant's cells absorb light energy to change carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. The raw materials are the carbon dioxide and water. Oxygen is produced as a waste product.